Alright, so I'm back, and in this video what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to replace the terminal block on the back of your jar where your electrical outlet goes in at. What you're going to do is I've already got the cover off the back of this one, so you can see it real good. And you see the issue. The issue on this one is it broke right there. So we're going to take our new one here and just slap it on there and get this thing ready to go. Give me 1 second, grab my tools. Alright, so there's going to be 2 Phillips heads right here on both sides. So make sure you want to be gentle so you don't have a mistake and break it again on accident. Alright, so this is fairly easy part right here. What we're going to do. What you want to do is you want to flip this thing over here. Let me focus so you can see real well. I'm going to flip this thing over. Let me get up here. You can see these little pins right there. What you want to do is you want to pull on that cord a little bit. I'm trying to get it where you can see it. You pull on it a little bit. You see it give up. Push in on that little metal thing there. And what it does is it makes it where you can slide it straight off. Explain to you what I mean here. This one's broke, so I can do it on the front. I can't with the new one. So what you do is you lift those little tabs up, and these wires slide right out. Slides right down there. Straight down and out. Same thing with this one. Lift that little tab right there. Slide that You're supposed to do it from the back. This is broke, so I'm just trying to go ahead and do it from the front. So I've got that one loose, and like I said, all you gotta do is take the wire and the block. I'm trying to get it where you see this. Saw that down, just like that. Alright, so once you got the old one out, grab your new one. White goes in the middle, always. Try to show you me doing this here. Grab this white one here. What you want to do, go ahead and take this, loosen this screw real quick. Go ahead and take that square nut off. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, take your square nut. So first one, alright, this is the good one. Take your square nut. Go ahead and get that in place here. Alright, so take your white one. There's a little flap right here. Let me grab my pliers. Grab your pliers. You ain't gotta grab pliers, you can grab whatever. But it's a little small flap right there you wanna bend up. So you can slide this back under these two grooves right here. And you can see, slides right into place there under those grooves. And that little metal tab right there, I want to bend it back. Hold that square nut there in place. You don't want to break that tab or it won't hold the square nut. Alright, so we got the white one in. Once you got that in, take your screwdriver. It's gonna be hard for me to get this here. And what you want to do is slide it up far enough to where it's over that part. Push that in so that it won't lift back over that. Alright, so we're done with the white one. You can see I've got it in place here. Now we're going to take the bolt and the square nut off the red one and the black one and go ahead and do that. Go ahead and put that square nut in place. So once you got that in place, slide it up far enough where you can bend that little tab back on this one. And we'll make sure they're bent back so that they don't come back out. Alright, there's the red one. The black one real quick. Same thing, you put your square nut in place. You just slide it down in place. Put that square nut behind that. Put the square nut down behind there, you can bend that tab back so that it'll hold it in place. Go ahead and put this bolt in. Make sure when I put this up in here, these bolts don't fall down inside of it. Alright, so your final step here. Got your new one put back, got your everything put on it. All you gotta do is line these two holes up right here. Put your two screws on it. Put it back in place here. real difficult with phone in. So once you get these two on, you just go ahead and tighten them down. And that's how you replace the terminal block. You slap your cover back on here, you're good to go, guys.